Welcome to True Service and Documentation's YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to connect to EGYM on a true Unite touchscreen console. Click on the EGYM logo for instructions on how to connect. Or simply hold your RFID near the NFC reader below to log into EGYM. Your homepage options now include EGYM workouts. You can approve, edit the workout, or simply start the workout. As you can see, the workout details transferred over nicely. At the end of the workout, press stop and end workout. A window will appear showing your data is syncing to EGYM. When you X out of that window, you will see your workout summary. Press the Home tab, and the machine will be ready for the next workout. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us if you have further questions.